Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in Honduras. Link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, and open description and click on this link eSim Voya Fly and open this web page voyafly.com and click on this right Honduras. And click on this and settings high speed 4G 5G data, no downloads or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes, alright, and scroll down and choose a fixed data plan 1 GB 7 days or 3 GB 2 week, alright, and select amount eSIM 1 eSIM 2 eSIM and 3 eSIM and 80K, alright, and click on buy it now. I am selected 3 GB 2 week, and click on this and click on buy it now. Open this page and click on this discount code and write ROAM tips and click on apply and order discount $3 and click on Google Pay and buy eSIM or write email, payment data and billing address and click on Pay Now and open new page and buy eSIM and send your email address, QR code eSIM and instruction activation. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you because feedback helps me. Bye bye.